In this question, k is given as 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C, as well as k is given as 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus sin C. Then find out the value of k. Here we will take k into k. For 1k you will take 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C. For another k you take 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus sin C. Multiply 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin B into 1 minus sin B, 1 plus sin C into 1 minus sin C. This will become k square is equal to 1 minus sin square A into 1 minus sin square B into 1 minus sin square C. But 1 minus sin square A is cos square A, cos square B, cos square C. So k must be equal to plus or minus cos A into cos B into cos C. That's what you get. The answer has to be B.